I think you should just know that I tried my best to make the sense out of it, and I think it made a little sense to me. Did you know that I just want to think of a very cool outfit, but फिर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे किसी किन्हीं कपड़ों की कोई सेंस ही नहीं बन रही है. But today, I have this top. This was the top. Yeah, I wore it as a skirt. You know this top, right? मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं सोचा था that I might be able to wear it like this. Not gonna lie, it does make sense a little bit. But I wanted to wear these today, right? I did wear these, but then I thought something is missing. It just looks like something is missing. And then I tried on a grey blazer, but that did not make any sense. So I also tried this cropped black blazer that I have, but the only problem there was कि अगर मैं ऐसे रखूंगी तो ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. But with all the buttons closed, some full sleeves, maybe it looks fine. I need to do something with my hair. Okay, Excuse me, sir. Pretty sleek bun. I wanted to go for a red lip, but what if it doesn't look good? A bit of gloss. I feel very naked without any accessory. Did I do these white pearl ones? Horrendous. I genuinely think I should go for some very mini earrings. Our mini stash. These are the final contestants. I genuinely love the red one, but I don't know how to explain, but they look very chic. And the main character. अगर मैं पर्ल्स ऐड करती हूँ तो ये थोड़ा ऐसा कोको शनेल जैसा नहीं हो जाएगा. वाइट, अभी ये वाइट नहीं, ये गंदा है. लाइक वाइट, ब्लैक एंड देन ग्रे. आई डोंट नो व्हाट एम आई सेइंग. कुछ प्रोफेशनली बोल रही हूँ मैं. आई डोंट नो. I genuinely don't know if I like it. Do I give a mistress vibe? I think so. I don't know what I think about this. I did not accessorize क्योंकि मुझे I need to know a little bit about this. Actually judge or recreate anything of a brand. I don't know, I just thought this would work and it did not disappoint me. I think it looks good. I know बहुत सारे influencers ये बोलते हैं, but I wish I lived in New York. Now just take it from my perspective. The fits I want to like recreate or wear, I cannot do that here. I love this, okay? What do you think? I think I like it. I like it, and now that I'm saying I like it, I am genuinely loving it. So, what do you think? काफी देर से दरवाजे के नीचे खड़ी हूँ. Pretty little baby. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.